Hello students, how are you?
Fine, sir.
Ah, yesterday is all day, no? Sunday. How you are? Enjoyed?
Very well, sir.
Are you studied or simply played?
Studied and art player, sir.
Okay, studied and played. Played well, no?
Yes, sir.
Ah. Now today we are listening new topic. So, do you know numbers?
No, sir.
Huh? Today we will do that topic.
Yes, sir.
My name is Uma Shankar Rao. My education qualification is MSc BA. Okay, I am mathematics teacher. Today we are going to do a new topic. Known topic only we'll take. That known topic is numbers. What are the numbers? Do you know numbers?
Yes, sir.
What is the smallest number?
Sir,
Smallest number.
partial into, sir.
Positive numbers.
1.
1. And the biggest number?
Not different, sir.
Not. So if you take negative numbers, smallest one is
Not different, sir.
not there. So negative numbers or positive numbers are there. Now I am going to write some numbers. Identify what kind of numbers those are. Okay? Carefully
Yes.
listen. I am going to write the numbers here on the board. So first you see 1, 2, 3, 4, so on, up to infinity. Next one I am going to write -2, -6, -18, and so on. Okay. Next I am going to write 1, 1/2, 1/3, and so on. Okay. Next I am going to write -2, -12, -54, and so on. What do you observe from this numbers?
The first number is positive number.
Okay, these first numbers are positive numbers. It follows certain rule, isn't it or not?
Yes, sir.
Observe what is that rule.
Increasing rule, sir.
Increasing rule. How much is increasing?
1, 1.
Plus 1 is increasing. Plus 1 is
Increasing.
plus 1 is gradually increasing. Except first number, remaining numbers are obtained by adding 1 to the previous numbers. So if you add 1 to this number, you will get this number. If you add 1 to this number, you will get this number. If you add 1 to this number, this number. So it is arranged in a certain order. Okay. Now coming to this one. What is the order in this number? You observed any order here? So here multiplying with the 3. So except the first number we don't know how the first number we got. Remaining numbers are got by multiplying a first number with a constant number. So if you multiply a constant number to its previous number, you will get a remaining numbers. All numbers are got if you multiply previous number with a constant number. Okay? You are multiplying. Now what do you observe here? It is a here you see how these numbers are arranged. Carefully observe difference. These numbers are reciprocal of this number. 1/1, 1/2, 1/3, 1/4, so on. So these numbers are reciprocals of this. So these numbers are arranged in different way, and these numbers are different to these numbers. If you compare these two, both are different. And if you compare this arrangement of numbers with these two, these are also different. Different. Now what about this one? These are the how we get later on we see. So these are the numbers arranged certain order. If the numbers arranged in a certain order, then we call sequence. What do you call?
Sequence.
Sequence. What is sequence? Arranging the number or terms in a certain order. It follows some order, some rule is called sequence. So if you sum up these numbers is called series. If you sum up these numbers, suppose if you sum up these numbers 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on, minus 2, minus 6, minus 18, so on. If you sum up these numbers, then we call series, sequence, series. So in this, if particular rule follows this number, they given a different names. What those names we will see. So these numbers are obtained, all numbers are obtained except first term. Remaining terms are obtained by adding a constant term to its previous term. All numbers or odd terms are obtained by adding a constant term to previous term. So this number is obtained except first term. We don't know first term how we got. Except first term, remaining terms are obtained. This term is obtained by adding constant term, that is 1. This term is obtained by adding constant term 1, that is 3. Here also. Okay. This kind of arrangement is called arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression. Okay. Next, here this arrangement is by multiplying a constant term. All terms are obtained except first term. We don't know first term how we got. All terms are obtained by multiplying a constant term to its previous term. This number is obtained by multiplying constant term to its previous term. So remaining all terms are obtained. This is called geometric progression. Geometric progression. Okay. Next, reciprocal of arithmetic progression is called harmonic progression. Harmonic progression. Okay. Next, this is a combination of two progressions. So arithmetic progression into geometric progression. 1 into minus 2, minus 2. 2 into minus 6, minus 12. 3 into minus 18, minus 64. This is called arithmetico-geometric progression. Arithmetico-geometric progression. Okay. There is further we have miscellaneous progressions. So sequences having different types. They given 3 names, 4 names, and one more is miscellaneous progression. That is different one. We don't know. We don't need to learn about that one. First, we will learn arithmetic progression today. What is arithmetic progression? All terms are arranged in certain order. All terms are obtained. All terms are obtained except first term. Remaining terms are obtained by adding a constant term to its previous terms. Constant term to its previous terms. So it is called arithmetic progression. So general form of general form of AP, arithmetic progression. First term is A. First term is A. So common difference. So common difference means you see 2 minus 1, 1 you get. 3 minus 2, 1 you get. If you take a difference of the two constitutive terms in the given progression, you will get a same difference. 4 minus 3, 1. That is called common difference. That is denoted by D. So if you add a common difference to the first term, you will get this one. So how you get this term? If you add a 1 to this one, 2 you get. For 2, 1 you get. If you add 1 to the 2, you will get third term. To it, 1 if you add, fourth term you get. Like that. That common difference we denoted by D. So if you add a common difference to first term, we will get second term. This is first term T1, second term. Next third term we get. If you add a two common differences. Here also what we add? First term, for first term, two common differences. So first term is 1. Here 2 into common difference. Here first term is 1. 3 into common difference. Like that. We will get T3. So nth term A plus, careful observe, here 3 means 1 less than 3, 2. Here n means 1 less than n minus 1 into. So that is nth term of the AP. This is AP. In shortcut, we write simply AP, arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression means it's not Andhra Pradesh and Arunachal Pradesh, AP, arithmetic progression. So now nth term of the AP. Nth term of AP. Nth term of AP. That is, it is generated by an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. In some books, they denoted by a small a suffix n also in some books. Okay, this is the nth term of a. So Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So now I will give some progressions and let us find the nth term of the nth term of that. So suppose I am taking one progression. This one only I will take. 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. Otherwise, you take next one. Suppose I will take minus 2, 1, 4, 7, so on. So find what is first term, what is first term of this progression, first term, that is T1 you have to find, and common difference. Common difference, CD means common difference. D and also nth term, Tn. 3 terms we have. How to find these 3 terms? Let us. I will drop the board. So how to find these 3 terms? So it is easy to find the first term. Whatever we have first number, that is the first term. Isn't it or not? So observe the progression. Carefully observe here. What is the first number? Minus 2. That is the first term. So first term T1 is equal to minus 2. Okay. Next, common difference. Common difference. D is equal to Tn minus 1. That means, suppose if you take Tn in the n is equal to 2. So 1 less than 2 means 1. So it is the difference of second term and first term. If you take n is equal to 3, 1 less than 3 means 2. Third term minus second term. Difference of third and second. So whatever you want, that you can write. So there will be only 3 terms in the AP. So in these 3 terms, any 2 term difference you take. So here T1 is this one, T2 this one, T3. Difference of these 2 you take. T2 means 1 minus of minus 2. That means 1 plus 2, 3. Common difference is 3. Okay, common difference we got. What you got common difference? 3. Next you have to find nth term. Tn you have to find. How to find nth term? Carefully see. So Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into, what is a value? First term we taken as a. T1 or a, both are same. So a is minus 2 plus nth term, we don't know n value, no? Simply put n minus 1. What is d value? 3. Substitute. Minus 2 plus 3n minus 3. That will become 3n minus 5 is the nth term. Tn minus 3n minus 5 is the nth term. We got nth term. Now if I ask to find what is the 100th term? What is the 100th term? How to find 100th term? Simply substitute in the nth term formula 100 in the place of n. So that will become 3 into 100 minus 5. 300 minus 5, what you get? 295 is the 100th term. Okay, clear? Now I want to give some more questions to you. Find from this, I find 100th term. No, you have to find 55th term and also 87th term, and finally I will give one more, T 150th term. This you have to find. Okay, do it, very simple, no?
Yes.
In this formula, nth term formula, wherever we have n, there you have to substitute this n value. Then you will get these 3 values. Then you will get these 3 values. So now carefully observe. It is AP. Today we are going to learn about AP. We learn about AP. In that we learn what is first term, how to find first term. Whatever first we have, that we have to write first term. And common difference. It is a difference of two consecutive terms in the given AP. Any two consecutive terms. Difference of any two consecutive terms. So 1 minus of minus 2, 3. 4 minus 1, 3. 7 minus 4, 3 you will get. Okay? Clear? In same way, common difference, after common difference, nth term. Nth term, how you get nth term? So first term plus n minus 1 into common difference. So if I ask, simplify it and you will get this one. If I ask to find 100th term, wherever you have n in the nth term, there you simply substitute 100. So here 100, 3 into 100 minus 5. 300 minus 5, 295 get. Same way we have to do for these three questions. Do and come tomorrow's homework. So 55 we have to substitute wherever we have n in the place. Okay? Clear? Students? So we will meet in next class. That's all.